I'm at Jet and I'm just looking around, you know me. I don't know if I want to buy something, but you know, I'm just looking around. Just came from a queue. I'm just quickly installing my wig. I want to film a makeup tutorial, but guys, I don't have the energy. I'm not feeling well, but you know what? We are going to do this because laying in bed is not going to help with anything. So I'm just waiting for the glue to dry.
When it comes to like releasing like prophetic words over your life, you can't just be like lukewarm about it. Well, that was my times. It's like it feels like I'd have to do some like really, really crazy and like really, really dramatic things. Sometimes you feel like as a team, like because that's just how it is. You need to fight for your life. Like you need to fight to release these prophetic words that God has spoken over our lives like years ago. Eventually, like some of us are like basically just Christians that have just made it into the living room and Sizopelela in like God's living room where we should be in his bedroom. Thought about this like when growing up I used to hear this thing like imfihlakalo yokholo, like you really, really need to, and you made an example like if someone invites you to the house, say God invites you to his house, he's going to invite you to the living room. She talking about brokey. Like you're not Lotto. And who else dropped today? Lil Durk dropped a song. I did fuck with that, not gonna lie.
Let me just lower the volume. Yeah. Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another day in this vlog. I haven't been speaking a lot in this vlog and I'm truly sorry for that. Yeah guys, I have no explanation. Shame, I just don't have any explanation to why I haven't been speaking or explaining stuff or all that, but it is a new day, actually days after. Tomorrow there is an event that my mom is attending. It's actually hosted by her. One of her in-laws, Tonton, is celebrating their, I don't know, 70th or whatever birthday. So she is in charge of catering, food, yonke lonto. And yeah, me being her daughter, I had to come and help her out with all of that. So now we are almost done. We're not done, but we are almost done. She just took a quick break and I decided to just like clean up the space because the house is not clean. Okay, the house is not clean. There's just a lot happening right now. I just want to wash the dishes, tidy up, put things in the right order so that when people come in, they don't see everything everywhere. So that is what I'm gonna do now. And then yeah guys, I'm gonna catch you when I am doing something. I also need to go to the mall, by the way, to go buy a few things that are short for this whole catering thing. And also I need to go to Celsi to go fix some things for my cell phone. The frats, the last time you saw me, I was installing a wig. The reason why I was installing that wig is because I was going to do a makeup tutorial, of which you would have seen. It's a video before this one. Yeah, it's a video before this one, but I had to take everything out, and because I had a lot of dandruff and all that, I had to take out the cornrows and just wash my hair so it can be fresh. But now I feel like I need to do something again. If I didn't have nails, I would have done my own braids, but the problem is I have nails, and you know how it is, it's not the same. So yeah guys, let us get cleaning so we can go to the mall. And yeah, you have two children. Yes. Are you pregnant now? No. Okay. Yes, substance abuse. But you did tell them.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
that are short for the catering. Hi guys, I come back. Yeah, guys, I'm so tired. It is way later on in the day. I think it's around 8 now, or just before 8. Something bad happened at the mall. I was at Checkers liquor store, me trying to vlog and all that. So somehow I opened the fridge to take out some of their champagne, and I broke my nail. I broke my nail, guys, and I feel like I want to go get it fixed, but like at the same time I'm like, either way this set is kind of almost done, because look at the lifting, guys. Look at the lifting. So I don't think I'm gonna go to that extent of just going to repair this one, because it's actually like, I think it's 20 rand to clean up, to redo one finger. So I'm not gonna do that, but I am at home. I think I'm gonna go to my place later on. Busy. We are trying our best to just make sure everything is all fine. um yeah guys, it's gonna be a very hectic day tomorrow. Unfortunately I can't go to the birthday celebration because I have to be at home, look after the child, and also look after the house because my parents are going. So unfortunately, but at least I could help. Okay, and if there is like a few clips that I get from them, then I'm just gonna include it in this video just to show you guys how the whole thing went. I got her birthday wrong. My, how do you call it, it's my mother's in-laws, Mchana's mother. Okay, it's a long process there because it's my stepfather and uSkhuzaka stepfather one. So yeah. I can't explain it, but like yeah, I mean uSkhuzaka umchan yo yaskeyande, but a family member, ne? She's turning 60. I thought she was turning 70, and I don't know where I got that from, but she's turning 60, and that was what I was doing. We were doing like just to, you know, simlungiselela into zakhe. But also, yeah guys, you didn't know, but your girl got something nice as well, you know, just to, because I'm tired yabo, njengoba ngihlisa ukudinwa nami, njengoba ngihlisa ukudinwa yabo, I can't do wrong, just to, you know, be relaxed, you know. So, you know, yeah, guys, I don't have any much more content to film now. I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip, if there's a next clip. I don't know, but hope you enjoyed spending this day with me. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. This vlog is everywhere. Let me not talk too much because nangomse ndingavuka ndifuna ufilma, ndiyazazi mna, but andifuni ibende kakhulu man le ntuza, because ndisafuna ukwenza ezinye ii-vlogs. Guys, I know I'm gonna talk a lot, né? But like, bear with me, just bear with me. I'll reach 1,000 subscribers, okay? And you know 1,000 subscribers incediswa ngenye into in order kuphume enye into. You guys know most the drill. So ndidinga nibukele videos zam. Please watch my videos, please watch my videos so that we can reach the other goal that is in link. Now go on, Nani.
More for the Zans.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, us. Yeah, Dad.
Okay guys, I decided to do a voiceover just in case you guys were thinking maybe we ordered the catering and all that. Unfortunately, we did everything ourselves, every single thing. That's how good my mom is.
Point kodwa nomfazi nansi wabhala amambhele